Hey guys, Denise here. What is up? And welcome to another Tuesday. So today is a little different. I had all the thoughts and efforts put into the video that I wanted to do for you guys today, but I don't know. I ended up staying home, didn't go to the gym to get my workout done, and I did this workout with just kettlebells that I think when I was doing it, I think it's something that I would wanted to share with you guys, and because of that, everything changed, and now I'm gonna be giving you this workout that you can do at home because man, it's super. And one thing I like about it is you get to work some major muscle groups, and also you don't have to have much to do what you have to do. I mean, I have three kettlebells for the most, and you're getting a real good pump and you're burning real freaking calories because it's like, trust me. So today I'd like to introduce you to one of my first video tutorials where I would be giving you exercises to do. That I'll be explaining the exercises first, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so let's get this done. Stay tuned. Alright, I have here just the three kettlebells that I've used for this workout. The main one is going to be the big 35-pound that you'll be using, and it depends on your strength. 35 is pretty decent for me. If you're now starting off, I suggest you do something a little less so that you don't pull any muscle or strain yourself. This is just my little mat here, right, that I do everything while I'm in this house once I don't go to the gym. So let me get this tutorial started so you don't have any injuries when you start this workout. All right, let's go. Okay, so I have the two kettlebells. Oh, they are 10 pounds each, and the 35 is what we're gonna start with. The first exercise you're gonna be doing would be kettlebell deadlifts. Make sure that you screw your feet into the ground externally to get that external rotation, and once you do that, you're using the same pushing the hips back and not rounding the back, but a nice flat back. Engage the lats, bend the knees, and you lift up from there. When you come up, you want to squeeze those glutes. Make sure the feet are well planted to the ground. And this is your first exercise that you're going to be doing, your kettlebell deadlifts. When you look at it from the side view, you'll see what I'm talking about with maintaining that flat back and making sure that you are lifting with the hips extension and not lifting with your back. Roll the shoulders down. So yeah, that's it there. Squeeze when you get up on top, but don't overextend when you're doing your straightening up. That could, a lot of people kind of overdo that movement. This is what you want right here. I like to put a little in it, like when I'm getting the thrust up, to make sure that I get some power with it. Yeah, next one. Okay, so exercise number 2, we're doing a goblet squat with that kettlebell. First thing you want to do is kind of externally rotate the feet, and you want to have the foot or the feet a little more than shoulder width apart to be able to give you that nice depth when you're going down. Make sure that the knees are going outward, and also make sure that you are having that kettlebell as close to your chest as possible, because that will help you with your center of gravity not tipping over, or actually being able to do this particular exercise easier once you have the form being correct, right? Make sure, watch the knees, that when you are driving up, you are not hyperextending the knee, causing the knee to, some people say there's like a little pop if you go too hard and drive up too fast. So just be careful about that. Also, you'll notice how I am picking up that kettlebell. You need to make sure that you're not bending that lower back and grabbing it. It's an easy way to forget how heavy it is and try to pick it up, and you can definitely get some lower back injuries from doing that. So make sure and bend the knees and pick up that kettlebell. This is the side view, and you'll notice how nice and flat the back is, nice neutral spine, and you're keeping the kettlebell as close to you as possible. Take a deep breath in and engage the core, and when you're coming up, breathe out, push that air out. Let's go on to number 3. Alright, so the third and last exercise you'll be doing would be kettlebell swings. You want to set yourself up pretty much the same way that you would for the deadlift. The only thing with this, the feet would be slightly, just a little shoulder width apart. I see some people do this movement with feet wide, and that is not the correct way. You need to have the same, if not slightly wider stance if you're doing the this swing compared to the kettlebell deadlift that I did before. One of the things I also see people do is that they over try to lift the kettlebell, and they use their hips and their lower back, which hyperextends like that, and that actually gives you a lot of lower back pain once you're finished. The movement is supposed to be, although it's swinging, you're supposed to be controlling the weight with the glutes, and also the feet must be planted strongly. That will be able to keep you grounded and not move around too much and losing stability of the movement from this movement. This is what it is right here. I don't have to raise the kettlebell as some people go really high. You have different versions of this kettlebell swing, but for now, this is what it's going to be looking like. Keep your back flat and control the swing. All right, let's put it all together now.